Hello बच्चों, करुणेश सर is here. I am going to explain you exercise 1.1. Although you have gone through this exercise yesterday, but I have observed your work whichever you have sent to me. Looking that I want to explain the concept and build your fundamental concepts again. That's why I am going to take this exercise again today. In this chapter you are going to study the concept of rational numbers. Before going through the rational numbers, let us have the concept of classification of number. First number is natural number. Type of numbers is they involve 1, 2, 3. This you have read in your previous classes. Second is whole number. It includes 0. And third is integer, that includes negative number. Means positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 and negative numbers. And fourth category comes rational number, which is the concept of the chapter or exercise 1.1. To understand rational number, let us draw a number line. Number line, I think you will be aware, all of you. Number line is a line stretching both sides up to infinity. You mark a point, consider it 0. So on the right side, and this is left. Right side numbers are 1, 2, 3 onwards. On the left side the numbers are negative, that is -1, -2, -3 onwards. This arrow means number will keep on going. It means 3, 4, 5 onwards, whatever you think. And on the left side -3, -4, -5 onwards. These are the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. This category coming right side of the 0. 0 itself in the which is involved in the whole number set, that is placed here. And left side of the 0 integers are written, means negative numbers. This number lines is this time considering these three categories. But where is the place of rational number? The place of rational number will be, let us draw again it. This is 0 and this is 1. Whenever you will place any marcation between 0 and 1, that will be a part of this segment 0 to 1, whatever the length it is. On your scale you observe centimeters 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So between 0 and 1 or 1 and 2, whatever, there are small lines. The small lines are the division of the 0 to 1. The length 0 to 1 unit means 1 centimeter length is further divided into different part. These different smaller parts are the fractions or rational numbers, you can say. Rational numbers actually in the form of, I will discuss the definition, they are in the form of P upon Q. P upon Q is a symbolization. For the sake of convenience you can consider 3 by 4, 2 upon 3, etc. These are the rational number. Actually these are falling between 0 and 1. Suppose you want to place 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means simply it is looking half. So half means this is length 0 to 1 unit. If you want to divide it into two equal parts, you will have to place a point this side. This will become 1 upon 2. In the same manner, whatever the fraction you are considering, that will come between 0 to 1 if it is less than 0. If it is greater than 1, less than 1, or between 0 to 1, it is greater than 1 or between 1 and 2, this will fall in this area. It means there are fixed places of the digits, natural number, whole number, integers, whatever on the number line, and between these numbers or these integers you can say rational numbers falls. Now the concept of this chapter is to place different rational number or required number of rational numbers between given two numbers. Suppose you have been given two numbers 3 and 4, whatever 3 and 4, and you want to insert 5 rational number, means like this I have placed here 1 upon 2, means one marcation. You will have to place between here and here 5 marcations, etc. Now definition, I should explain you rational number for